What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to buy or sell CRWV stock. This is a CorWeave stock. We'll be using eToro as a platform for our purchase, but of course you can use any other platform which is available to you. Because you need to have an account, this is fine, so you can open your account either with eToro or with your preference. In eToro right here, we have the search option on the first page and we can simply type in CRWV. And this will bring in the options. As you can see, we have CRWV, CorWeave. Click on trade, and right here you have the option to put in the amount, stop loss or take profit, the leverage, and you can see your summary right here. You need to make sure that you have some available funds right here, and that's why we have the deposit button right here. After making your deposit, this button will be changed to a transaction completion button. Of course, after buying and you want to sell, you have the option to sell right at the top arrow right here. We don't have the option to sell because we don't have any CRWV stock. But when you do have some, you can go ahead and make a sale or short it if you want. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to buy or sell CRWV stock.